Hey y'all, what's up? It's Joshua Rodriguez here again with my Craftsman LT1000 Freebird. This tractor started out as a regular lawnmower. It mowed grass for most of its days, and now it's just a four-wheeler for me. I'm the fourth owner on this now. It originally had a 17 horsepower Briggs & Stratton, but now it has a 18 horsepower Kohler 5400 series single cylinder. What sold me on this Kohler is I've had good luck with Kohlers. I always have. I've had good luck with Briggs & Strattons as well, but this one is what sold me because it's a Kohler. So I installed a flagpole on here because America. And here's how we mounted it to the tractor. We just cut a 5-inch piece of metal off and drilled the holes for the tractor and the flagpole bracket to go on. I'll let you guys hear her now. That's the sound of a Kohler. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, like and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications for when I post a video again. Thank you guys. Bye.